Okay, this first one is just something I picked up from Michael's last year, and it's this cute little house. I bought it at the end of the season so I could get it on sale, and I've really been looking forward to using it this year. I am going to try to film a video for every day of Advent, and you'll just have to stay tuned. But anyway, I plan on using this calendar for those videos. For this video, I'm just showing you the calendars that I have. I'm not going to unbox them all because we are going to unbox them each day. And so I'll just kind of show you a compilation each day, probably in my shorts, if you're interested in seeing what's included. But here's the 25 days of holiday heat. I picked this one up from Aldi, and my husband loves hot sauce. And so here on the back, there's like, I mean, it's a spoiler alert for him, so maybe he hasn't flipped it over to see it, but these are all the different hot sauces that are in there. And so each day he'll open it and he'll get a new hot sauce. This next one is from the Happy Planner, and it is their sticker advent calendar. I got it last year. Hold on. I got the one from last year, and it was for their bigger planners, and I believe this one is for like a average sized planner, but it's fun. It's cute. They have little doors that you can open up, and underneath each door is a sticker that you can use in your planner or for whatever you want to use it for. But I also think it's cute because it comes ready to go into your Happy Planner if you have one. And it's got a place for a bucket list, nice list. Not quite sure that I would use it for nice and nicest list, but I could use that for making a list of another kind. And then here are the other days of the advent calendar for the stickers. And then when it's done, it's just cute, and it's a nice like cover that you could use if you want to use it for other purposes. But I liked last year, so I picked one up for this year. This next one are Lindt teddy bear chocolates, and I love chocolate. So I wanted to get a chocolate one that I could have a piece of candy each day. And so I picked up this one. I ordered it off of Amazon on sale. I believe I paid $10 for this. And this one is a 25-day calendar as well. So we've got all the different days, and so each day I will open it up and get myself a little bit of candy. Here it tells you the types of candy that are in there, so not too much of a surprise, but I won't know which one I will get on which day. So this next calendar is a 15-day calendar, and it is a Harry Potter socks themed one. I picked this one up at Target, and I just love socks and I like Harry Potter, so I thought this one would be fun, and I just think it's cute. Also, if you wanted to gift it, they have this to from, and they let you know that there are 11 pairs of low-cut socks and 4 pairs of crew socks. And I just think the pictures are cute and could be reused for junk journaling or whatever you want to use them for. So I'm excited about that one. In a previous video, I shared with you guys that one of my favorite things are the Olive and June nail polish kits. I really need to find some time to do my nails. I haven't done them for a minute, but I ordered the Olive and June advent calendar. So I'm really excited. It looks really cute. All the boxes are kind of packed in here cute and snug, and it's a 25-day calendar, so this will last through the whole season, and I am excited to unbox these each day. Here is another chocolate advent calendar, 25 days, that I picked up from Aldi. I can't remember how much it cost. I'll be putting prices across the top of how much these cost to purchase, but I don't remember it costing more than $5, but she likes chocolate as well, and so I just figured she might like a little calendar with some candy each day, so I picked this one up for my daughter. This next one I picked up from Amazon, It is a Seeds Advent Calendar, and it has 24 days worth. And it's cute because it comes with a rope and some clips so that you can clip your seeds onto it. Oh, and I'm seeing that I can already see a hint of what each day is. So that's cute. I kind of wish it was a surprise that I could open it on that day and see what that seed was going to be and that it wasn't pictured. So what I might do is I might just keep them here in this box and then each day grab them out. Maybe I'll flip them over so it can be a little surprise. I don't know, but I thought that was a really cute idea. I love gardening, and so I was like, seeds, that's a clever idea for Advent calendars. So looking forward to my seeds that I get each day. In a previous video, I shared a DIY Advent calendar idea, which was a puzzle. And I mentioned I'd seen these on Amazon, and I couldn't help myself. They had a Black Friday sale, so they were cheaper than they usually are. And I love puzzles, and I just figured I would go ahead and pick one up for myself. So it comes with this poster. Man, this is big. Oh, and there's like a key on the back too, I guess. Interesting. But yeah, a really big poster of the puzzle itself. I guess that will help me get that done. But it's a 24-day poster, and each day I will open it, and there are puzzle pieces that will fit together to complete a portion of the puzzle a little each day. What I like about this is I will get it done in 24 days because these puzzle pieces I'm opening all go together because they're in the same spot. Some of these are turned around. And so I kind of like that idea versus a really big puzzle and I'm having to look around and figure out which section each puzzle piece goes to. But yeah, I'm excited about this one. Sorry, I'm gonna flip these around because it's kind of bugging me that they're not turned around. This next one is for my daughter, and it is a Christmas charm bracelet. I picked this one up off of Amazon during one of their Amazon days, so I've had this for quite a while. But, oh goodness, it peels back. Maybe I'll tape that shut for her. But, each day she will open it, and there will be a new charm for her bracelet. I'm a little bummed that this opens up. Okay. Yep, I'll tape this down before I give it to her. She doesn't know that she's getting this, but it's a cute little charm bracelet, and it has little Christmas charms that will go on it, and I'm sure she'll love to wear that, and it'll be cute. I have seen ads for the Adventure Challenge, like Couples Edition and Family Edition, and it looked fun, and I saw that they had an Advent one. It has 12 scratch-off holiday Advent adventures to create new traditions and make lasting memories. So I decided to pick it up, give it a shot, and it just kind of has some information in there. They kind of give you a hint as to the price range and duration before you scratch it off if you're going to need a group or if it's going to be messy or outdoors. So that's nice. And then here it has day one. And so it says we could do it anytime. It might take 0 to 1 hours. There's a house and a food one. So I can come back here. Be ready to enjoy a prepared snack at some point in this adventure. There's a house. This means the adventure will take place in or around your home. Group, you need at least 2 people for this adventure. And then the shopping cart, supplies. Unless you have all these specific foods or random craft supplies at your home, challenges with this icon may require you to get some essential items. So it sounds like maybe we could scratch it off in the morning. And then if I need to go get stuff during the day, I can. And then on this backside, we can write about it, and then we could post our picture here. That is fun. I was just seeing if that was like a tape piece. So yeah, this is where the picture goes. It's just really cute, and I look forward to seeing what these are. I kind of like that it is 12 days and not 25, because if it's something that just really won't work for that day and we need to do it later that week, I feel like that gives us some wiggle room, so that will be fun. I'm excited for this. Also, it stands up. It's got this bottom that can help it pop up. And here's an example of what it could say. Under Wraps Challenge, who doesn't love unwrapping gifts? We're about to take the plastic wrap game to a new level. Go to the store, grab a roll of plastic wrap, a few small silly gifts, treats, or things you have been eyeing for a while. Feel free to even grab random things in your own home. Scan the QR code for full instructions for the following competition. So that's just an example of what it would look like. Anyway, there you go. The Adventure Challenge Advent Calendar. My last one, I am very excited about this one. I have recently gotten into bullet journaling and have found Archer and Olive, and I've not purchased anything from them before this, but I've just seen a lot of YouTube unboxings and people talking about them, and they always look beautiful. So I got this advent calendar. It is a 12-day advent calendar, and it is beautiful. These are magnetized. This box is like, it's good quality. It's sturdy. It's beautiful. And you open it up, and then inside you got little boxes for each day. So here's day 1, and so on and so forth. So I love that I can reuse these boxes because they're just so nicely made and they're beautiful. I feel like I keep saying that. And I can reuse this advent box as well. It's just sturdy, and I'm really excited to open up that each day. So there you have it. These are all the advent calendars I picked up for this advent season, and I am so excited to open them up. I'm excited that I have some that are 12 days and some that will last the whole season, the advent season. Like I said, I will go ahead and unbox these each day, and then I will post a video probably at the end of the day just of all of the items we got for that day. So I won't open them all at one time like some unboxing videos, but I'll just show you what that day's item is. So I look forward to sharing that with you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.